I had to tie the dog up because whenever I want to look at something close, maybe take pictures, especially animal tracks, he always wants to come over here and stick his nose in. Strange looking scratch marks. These are quite deep. I don't know. Strange goings on out here at night. Here's one up here. Look at the depth of this. Yeah. I don't know. The light changes here, so it's a little harder to see, but dog was sniffing around here. This almost looks like a rabbit track there. I don't know. What is this, Shade? Huh? What is it? Come on, boy. Come on. Come and get the alligator. Wonder if your mama's around here someplace. Shade alerted me to the alligator, but then he decided he didn't want anything to do with him. Come on, pup. You didn't like that old alligator, did you? Want to go see him? Let's go see him. What's he doing, huh? Just because I chased you away. Look, what is that? What is it? What is it? I'm looking at all these drag marks here. Looks like a bunch of gators walked through here close together. Wonder where all the others are. Is that gator moving? Is that gator moving? Hey. It's okay. He's allowed to be there. He's allowed to be there. Good boy. He's coming after you. He's moving. He's going to come and get you. Let's go and let's leave him alone. He's getting mad now. Hey, that's enough, Shade. That's enough. She's got a fish in her mouth, trying to get it turned around so she can swallow it.